Hey, what's up? If you work on a laptop, the best way to boost your productivity is to buy a triple portable monitor or a laptop screen extender. When you use it, you have 3 displays instead of 1. In addition, a triple portable monitor is quite compact, so you can also take it with you from home to the office and back, or even a business trip. The latest triple monitors models, such as this QQH Z80A, feature a convenient single cable connection via USB-C or USB-A. This makes it even more portable. Even if you don't carry the laptop screen extender with you, connecting it with a single cable keeps your desk very clean and organized. The 2 screens of this QQH Z80A triple portable monitor have IPS panels and a resolution of 1080p. The body of the laptop screen extender is made of an aluminum alloy, which makes it durable and lightweight. The company says you need to install drivers to use this triple monitor. We will check out how to connect it and the image quality in this video. But let's start with unboxing and design. So on the box we can see the picture of the triple monitor on a laptop, company logo and a model number Z80A. On the back of the box we find some technical specifications of the product. Inside the box there is a user manual and a guide for connection method, setup and troubleshooting. The monitor itself is very well packed in styrofoam. We will come back to it a little later. There is also a 5 volts and 3 amperes power adapter, USB-C to USB-A cable, USB-C to USB-C cable with detachable USB-A, and a USB disk. I think it has drivers that need to be installed to use the monitor. We will get into the connection and setup a little later, but for now, let's talk about the design and the build quality of this triple portable monitor. First, the QQH Z80A triple portable monitor is really compact. It is about the same size as my laptop, but twice as thick. Its dimensions are 370 by 230 by 24 mm. The weight is 1930 grams. Since this is a portable monitor, I would like it to come with a carrying case, but you will have to buy it separately. I already told you that the monitor is made of an aluminum alloy. Actually, both screens are made of metal. And the kickstand on the back is also metal, but the back of the middle frame is plastic. By the way, my triple monitor is black, but it is also available in gray on Amazon. I think gray would be better for my laptop, but I already have what I have. So the QQH Z80A triple portable monitor is very well made. I think it will last a long time, thanks to its metal casing, hinges and stand. Now let's try to set up the triple monitor on my laptop. To unfold the triple monitor, first you need to rotate the right display and then left one. The screen rotates 360 degrees on sturdy metal hinges. In fact, you can use the triple portable monitor not only in a multiple mode, but also in a single portrait mode and triangular mode. The kickstand also allows you to adjust the triple monitor's tilt angle. By the way, the QQH Z80A triple monitor is compatible with laptops from 12 to 16 inches. I have a 15.6-inch laptop, and it fits perfectly between 2 screens of a triple portable monitor. As you can see, the triple monitor isn't attached to the laptop screen in any way, so it doesn't hang on it and will not damage the hinge. Alright, let's move on to the connection now. On the middle frame you will find 2 USB-C ports, one for connecting to a laptop and the other for power. Let's plug in the monitor first. Next you will need to install the drivers on your laptop. The QQH Z80A triple monitor comes with USB flash drive, so just plug it in your laptop, then navigate to the folder for your operating system, in my case Windows 11, and install the program. Now let's try connecting the triple monitor to the laptop via USB-C port. It works. Now let's try connecting the triple monitor to the laptop's USB-A port. To be honest, I am surprised, but it works too. You know, I am wondering if the triple monitor will still work if I unplug the power cable. As you can see, the displays are trying to turn on, but then turn off right away. It looks like the triple monitor is not getting enough power. Okay, I will test it with power cable plugged in. So in the settings we can see that 3 displays are detected. The first one is my laptop screen, while the second and third are screens of a triple monitor. I can swap their positions, but it's better to leave them so that the left screen of the triple monitor is to the left of the laptop display, and the right screen is to the right of the laptop display. Here we can select the extended or duplicate mode. I think the duplicate mode will be useful when using a triple monitor in a triangular mode. By the way, you can also use a triple monitor in a single portrait mode. But don't forget to change the display orientation to portrait in the settings. We can also check the resolution and refresh rate of the first and second displays of the triple monitor, 1080p and 60 Hz. The triple monitor also has the on-display settings. You can go to them by pressing the menu button on the screen. Here we have brightness, color, other, information, and factory. The brightness settings include brightness, black level, contrast, and sharpness. In the color section, you can change temperature mode, eco mode, hue, saturation, and DCR. In the other menu, you can reset the screen settings, change menu time, OSD H position and OSD B position, language, transparency, low blue light, and aspect ratio. Finally, you can factory reset the triple monitor. Okay, let's talk about the image quality of the QQH Z80A triple monitor. Both displays have a resolution of 1080p and they really look sharp. This is very good for reading text. However, I noticed that the brightness of the two displays is lower than the display of my laptop. The manufacturer claims that it is 300 nits. As for the color reproduction, the QQH Z80A triple monitor has a 1200:1 contrast ratio and 85% sRGB coverage. This is sufficient for everyday office tasks, but may not be enough for photo-video editing. For professional color work, the minimum standard is 100% sRGB coverage. For myself, I decided that I would edit videos on my laptop screen and use the triple monitor to display additional information. So the main feature of the QQH Z80A triple monitor or a laptop screen extender is a single cable connection. In my case, I also had to connect a power cable to the triple monitor because my laptop wasn't providing enough power for it. I was surprised to find that the triple monitor can be connected via both the USB-C port and the USB-A port. But don't forget to install the drivers that come with it on the USB disk. The triple monitor is very well made from an aluminum alloy. It is compact and lightweight enough to carry around. As for the image quality, it is good for watching videos and everyday office tasks. I already said that the monitor is compatible with laptops from 12 to 16 inches, but you can also use it with various operating systems, such as Windows, macOS, Android, ChromeOS, and Linux. For the price of around $200, this is a really good laptop screen extender. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!